Oh, that's sad, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I can place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala.
Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girls and welcome Laka, and I'm back with another video. Guys, I moved into a new apartment. Finally left Cape Town city center. Like the buzz, the noise. I loved it though. Like I love Cape Town city center. Like if it was a different time in my life, maybe if I did not have a baby, then I wouldn't I wouldn't have left. So I wanted to show you like how I furnished it and everything like that. I haven't like fully furnished it because I am in a new apartment. I'm in between two apartments at this point in time, so I haven't like fully moved stuff out of my other apartment into this one. That is because you guys know in Cape Town, like if you don't grab a place immediately, it would mean that this place would go. So I was like, you know what, let me just take the other one even though the month hasn't ended. I know that I have this place and not thinking towards the end of the month about where am I going to stay. So immediately when I was accepted for this one, I was like, you know what, this has always been like my dream location, and also the apartment is good for me. I'm happy with it because it has an outside area, like it's a ground floor apartment, and my daughter needs space. So yeah, she needs space. She needs a place to play where she could be outside and she could be playing her scooters and everything like that could be outside. So I just wanted to change the vibe and the feel of my new place and not decorate it the same as my old place. So we'll show you around like what we have at the moment, what I have at the moment at this apartment, and once everything comes together, then I'll show you everything in the next video. I have ordered a couple of stuff on Shein, so I'm just waiting on them to arrive. Anyway guys, let's get straight into it. I have to say, like, this place has been one of my dream this area has been one of my dream areas since. So now that I'm in it, I am super happy and I'm super excited, and that's because the schools here are good. At least that's what I think. Guys, I'm trying to hide because YouTube. The schools here for my daughter are gonna be good, and I hope I hope this apartment brings like prosperity and everything good. I had to buy a stove because it did not come with a stove, which was sort of kind of confusing for me because most apartments come with a stove and this one did not. So it's something that I had to buy on the side. But I was like, hey guys, let me just accept this place because I was tired of looking for a place, being told that it was given to someone else, that. I was like, I'm done with this jazz. Let me just accept and move on with life and carry on with life. So yeah guys, let's go. We're actually doing an inspection together so that when I move out of here, I don't get blamed for things that I did not do. Like guys, honestly, I'm planning to stay here for the shortest time so that I can get a house. Like honestly, I need a house at this point because apartments and renting and all of that jazz, it's just too much. So a house is needed at this point. So this is just me showing you the inspection and how the place is currently is. Love it down. It is bigger than my previous apartment, but the stove situation, child, and buying more stuff, you know what, I was like, at this point it's okay and I'm fine with everything because the thing of looking for an apartment and hustling and looking for it, I think I ended up even looking like in Brackenfell area, and I saw this apartment that I like, but I was like, I am just not used to Brackenfell. Hey, the area is so far, it's not even where I want to be. But at this point in time, I'm just looking everywhere because I need a place to stay. So when I got accepted into a place that I love so much, and an area that I love so much, and in an apartment that is super comfortable for me, I was like, definitely I am taking this one because I'm used to the area. I'm fine with the area. In fact, I'm good with everything in the area. So why not? So this one is the second bedroom over here. So we're just looking at the tiles and seeing, is there anything wrong with the tiles? And just looking through the room to see if there's any errors or anything like that. another thing is that I am so used to having two bathrooms at the time. And my bathrooms were big. I was like, hey, how am I going to be able to deal with this bathroom? But I was like, you know what? Hey, Asana, it's fine for as long as the space is bigger and it's okay. So I saw a few errors over here, but yeah, it was just all for documenting and for showing the owners and also the property agents what was wrong so that it's not blamed on me and it's not shifted on me. To my surprise, there was no mirror and also there was no bathroom curtain or bathroom door, sorry, a shower door to be specific. But I was fine with it. I was cool with it because I could just buy like a shower curtain. This is the main bedroom, which is this is a two-bedroom apartment, in case I did not mention that. This one is way bigger than my previous apartment, because in my previous apartment I like fitted my queen size bed and my pedestals, and that was it. Like, there was no space for movement. But you will see, like, maybe in the next video how it looks like it looks big. It is big in my opinion. I am super happy with the outside area and also the dining room or the lounge area, because it is super big and I can finally use like fiber. Yeah, I can finally use fiber like Vumatal or something like that. Guys, look at the outdoor. I am gonna film so many workout videos over here because the space allows. There is so much space. So I don't even need to have a gym membership at this point, because I've got this outdoor area and I am going to use it to the best of my ability. The advantage that I'm going to take over here is insane. I'm even thinking of decorations and stuff like that, like on the grass area. What can I do over there? Yo, it was time to shop, guys. Like, I budgeted something like 50,000, and when I tell you that my money was all gone, like it was gone. Stove, washing machine, fridge, and couch, like everything. I was never ready for these type of expenses. Like, I thought it would be enough. Beds at this point are super expensive. I was out here thinking that I could get a bed that is like 5 to 7,000 rand. You guys did not mention that beds at this point are like 7 to 15,000. Like, the hell is that? What the hell? But you know what? I was like, what can we do? Because I can't compromise. I wanted like a good feel when it comes to my bed, because I'm used to that. I'm used to comfort. Microwave. Oh, guys, microwaves are like 1 point something now. What's going on in cereals economy? I end up needing to buy all of these things, like my TV set and my coffee table. That's because I'm changing the vibe as well. The bed and everything. Yeah, the bed came through. Queen size bed, child, because that's what I'm used to. And comfort, guys. I like comfort so much. I don't want to be sleeping and I'm feeling back pains and all like that. My bed needs to be like a pillow. Like, I need to sit down and I need to feel like it's a pillow and it's super comfortable, because I enjoy sleep. So pretty much I don't compromise on that. Okay, I really don't. My mom came to help out as well, so that was fun and that was good. Oh, finally got my couch. I got the couch from a lady that does them on TikTok, so it was custom made. I wish though that I made it like a 4-seater instead of a 5-seater, because it looked a little bit small for the space. And that is because I'm used to a 3-seater, or maybe the way that the lady does the couches, they are small, because from my previous couch it is a 3-seater, but it's bigger than this one. I can say that. So I just did not estimate that it would be that small. Anyway, these are the mirrors and the other decoration that I got. Guys, these mirrors are so expensive. I thought in Chinatown they would be, yeah, they are slightly like cheaper. I got this in Chinatown for like 900. I think online it's like 1.5 or 1 point something. So I thought it's quite at a reasonable price, so I will take that. You guys did not warn me when it came to rugs. Why are rugs so expensive? Like, why would you even spend like 2K on a rug, like 1.5? What's going on? I think I lived in a apartment that had wood, so I've never thought of a rug. The only place I needed a rug was my lounge area. But anyway, ended up with this one because it was lighter. It went with the feel that I'm going for. The one thing I'll enjoy though is just taking my daughter to the park and also exercising around the area. Because I could just take her to the park, take a walk, maybe after school, or maybe during the weekend. I don't need to drive or anything like that. It's a nice and safe neighborhood. That's what I like. I'm still getting used to it. My daughter loves it. Oh, the amount of running that she does. But you know what? It's good for a toddler that is 3 years old and wants to run around and do the most. Anyway, guys, I love you so much. Bye.
Oh, that's like my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want